Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support, and we've got a super cool tech tip for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip that's going to be based around the Microsoft Office Suite aspects. So if you use those, make sure you stick around and hang out for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. Well, inside of all the Microsoft Office suites, there's a lot of cool things you can do as far as shortcuts wise. You might be wondering like, hey, what are all these shortcuts? And a really easy way for Microsoft to show you that is if you hold the Windows key and hit Alt, it's going to light up or basically highlight all the different shortcuts that are available through Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook. There's a ton of them. Some of them might be more relevant to you than others that you might be able to start using, but that's a cool way just so you can get a good glimpse as far as all the ways you can do that, and it would even tell you what that shortcut is. So if you have any questions, concerns, want to learn more about that, feel free to reach out to us. Or if you do have any IT concerns, problems, anything that might be driving you nuts in your business, we'd love to chat with you, see if Colorado Computer Support's a potential good IT fit for you and your company. Feel free to reach out to us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, appreciate hanging out with me. I'll see you next week. Thank you so much.